Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tanushka and I just got ready to go to my dance class because it's currently 5:53 and I need to reach there by 6.
But it's just opposite to my house. Like, it's just go down and it's just the dance class. Okay, my tongue just slip. Okay, so
It's just downstairs, so it's not so far. So if I'll be going around 5:58, then I'll reach there by 6. That's just 2 minutes. वो भी नीचे उतरने का only. तो I just got ready और मैं बहुत देर से बैठी हूँ ऐसे. So I thought, why not start a vlog? Okay. So currently, oh wait, there's just too much sunlight. This is the time when my room gets sunlight, like literally it gets so better right now. Or so I have some packages right here that I'm gonna unbox when I come back from the dance class, and these are for my room. Yeah, so I'm so excited. And one thing that I opened, like, wait, I'm gonna show you. Wait a second. So this is one thing. I'm gonna show you properly afterwards, but currently I'm just showing you the box. So it's the
what it's called? I don't know. Wonder why LED lights. It's the same thing. Like, it's the photo wala LED light. Wait, that's too much high. No, it's perfect. So it's this. It's this thing. The photo wala. So like, I didn't have photos. I'll bring them. That's okay. It's fine. But currently I don't have any pictures. So, but I want to get it for that yellow wall that I have in my room. And for this wall, I got some mirror, kind of a extra mirror, kind of a thingy. And yeah, next thing, I have got a LED light for my bed too. And mirror for mirror, I didn't get anything. I need to get anything to decorate it. Or baki, then it will look kind of fun. Yeah. So now I'm gonna leave for my dance class, and I need to get it. So this is the mirror that I got for my room. So yeah, I'm gonna meet you after some time now. Like, it's 6 to 8 maybe today. When our regular timings are 5 to 7. Back from dance class. Wow. Oh, like literally.
back from dance class. और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक चुकी हूँ. Like, अब नो जोश बचा है शरीर में. वाह, फोकस ही नहीं हो रहा. मेरे भाई ने कांच साफ़ किया था और ये साफ़ भी नहीं हुआ है ढंग से. मेरे को ही करना पड़ेगा. देखो कितना गंदा गंदा हो रखा है. चलो कोई नहीं, मैं मिलती हूँ आपसे चेंज वगैरह करने के बाद. सो इट्स द नेक्स्ट डे और अब हम फाइनली वो पैकेजेस ओपन करते हैं. लाइक अभी भी कुछ बाकी है आना, बट वो हम बाद में अनपैक कर लेंगे. अभी हम जो आ गए हैं उनको अनपैक कर लेते हैं. सो येस्टरडे मैंने आपको थोड़ा थोड़ा ये वाला दिखा दिया था, बट अभी मैं दिखाती हूँ कुछ करके. So it's like this thing, like it's a clip वाला thingy, और इसमें आप फोटो अटैच करते हैं ना, तो और जब ये लाइट ऑन होता है तो it looks very 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 cute and thick. So this I'm gonna put on that wall, like yellow वाला wall. I'm gonna put it there. It's of 20 clip. You can get of 10 clips too, and maybe 5 also, 15. Yeah. So it's of 20 clip. और ये सब मैंने अमेज़ॉन से लिया है. सो इफ यू वांट बाय इट देन आई विल पुट डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दिस. अब हम इसको ओपन करेंगे. पता नहीं, इसमें मुझे मिरर वाला लग रहा है, पर पता नहीं क्या होगा. हाँ, इट्स मिरर वाला थिंगी. सी इट्स लाइक दिस. और मेरे को बहुत टाइम से चाहिए था, लाइक, बट अब रूम अब मिला है तो फिर सामान भी अभी आएगा. ओके, सो इट्स लाइक 32 वाला थिंगी है ये. सी इट्स दिस. शो यू. सी इट्स मिरर. मतलब इसके ऊपर से पन्नी हटेगा ना तो इट विल लुक क्लियर. अभी तो पाउडर जैसा हो रखा है. और इसके पीछे से स्टिकर हटा के हमको ये स्टिक करना होता है वॉल पे. सो दिस आई विल स्टिक ऑन दिस वॉल. ओह माय गॉड, दिस वन. या और इट विल लुक नाइस. और हाँ, इसके साथ एक और चीज़ है. वेट, लेट मी शो यू. These cute butterflies. These are also of mirror, okay? So this will look very cute on that wall. और ये पूरा wall cover कर लेगा cause these are of 32 I guess. It's a set of 32. इसमें कोई लिख भी नहीं रखा. छोड़. Yeah, it's a set of 32 and these butterflies are 12 or 10 I guess. It's very small and cute. Oh my god. और इसको हम stick करेंगे. Then it will look very pretty. चलो रख देते हैं डेलिकेट सामान. सो मैंने ना अपने रूम में ज़्यादातर चीज़ें मिरर कर दिया है, बट आई लव इट. मुझे मिरर बहुत पसंद है, तो इसलिए. और हम बाद में थीम बदल देंगे इफ़ वी वुड नॉट लाइक इट, बट ऑब्वियसली वी वुड लाइक इट. सो अब इसको हम साइड में रखते हैं. और नेक्स्ट चीज़ है ये. और इसमें मेरे को लग रहा है ना, इसमें कुछ वो वाला है, वो चेहरे पे लगाने वाला सामान, बट खोल के देखते हैं पहले. एंड यू नो व्हाट, मेरे हाथ अजीब लग रहे होंगे क्योंकि मेरा ये वाला नील टूट गया. आज ही टूटा सुबह. मैंने सोचा था पहले वीडियो हो जाती फिर ही टूट जाता, बट मेरे साथ ही होता है ना सब कुछ अच्छा काम. हाँ, इसमें वो हाँ अच्छी पैकेजिंग है, फिर भी मैंने फाड़ दिया गलत तरीके से. पाइनएप्पल की तरह आया है ये. इतना डेलिकेट सामान भी नहीं था. इतना डेलिकेट वो कांच आना चाहिए था. वेट, लेट मी प्रॉपर्ली पहले खुल जा. सिम So it's Dermaco creamy daily face cleanser, or it's Dermaco intense daily face moisturizer, and what is it? It's peeling solution. Oh my god, I have one peeling solution. Yeah, why did I get it? I didn't get it. I get it by mistake. I already have this one, but okay, चलो ये दोनों चीज़ें. I don't know. This is cleanser. पता नहीं, like it's good for your acne, so I got it. It's for sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin. Sure, it's cute, like little. मतलब it has very much variants, so I just got it for a trial. Like if my skin, if it will suit my skin, then I'll get more. But if it will not, then who cares? And it's the face moisturizer. Okay, so if you know me, then I use that moisturizer, Acne Moist. That is suggested by my skin doctor. So I use that, but for a trial I will use it now. But actually I don't use moisturizers because uske baad my skin looks black kind of. Like it's get patchy, so I don't use it. I don't believe in using moisturizer or skin products actually. Just give them a try, and if you like it, then I'll use them. Like sometimes though it's okay, but not every time. It smells like the vibe. It smells so much like medicines. Like that गंदी मेडिसिन नहीं आती, वो बहुत ज़्यादा जो स्मेल करती है उसकी तरह it smells. It not smells good. but that is good, that consistency, yeah. But it's फिर भी चिपचिपा for me. But it's fine. अब मंगाया है तो we need to use it. And if you wanna know its price, so it's of, oh my god, it's $349 for this, and for the cleanser. This is the second time I'm opening the cleanser. I know, okay. I think cleanser will be good, okay. And it's day plus night, okay. It's not only day. You can use anything. वैसे भी डे भी लिखा होता तो भी we can use it at night, okay. पता नहीं मैं ऐसे लड़ने की टोन क्यों बोली. It's of 249 and it's 100 ml and this is 50 gram. और ये तो मेरे को चाहिए ही नहीं था, फिर भी कम. It's nice, but I didn't use it a second time. Now I need to finish this bottle and that bottle too, वरना मेरी मम्मी will be चांद से मार देगी मेरे को. Let's open it. How does it smell? I wanna know its smell actually. क्योंकि दवाई ना, I don't like it. It also smells like दवाई only, but it's fine. फिर भी it's fine. Oh wow! इतना सही है बस. It's okay, it's fine. I don't know, but it's okay. That's fine. Okay, मैं कितनी बार बोलती हूँ सेम चीज़. अब मेरे को इसको ऐसे ही रखना पड़ेगा. अभी आने का भी अब तो आ गया, बट इसका मुझे बाहर रखना.
So, मैं पूरा बता देती हूँ आप लोगों को. Creamy daily face cleanser for sensitive skin. Plus, it cleanses, hydrates, fragrance जाने दो क्योंकि it's not fragrance, okay? Fragrance plus and soap free, day plus night. Dermaco tested, fragrance free. Oh, it's fragrance free. I'm only mad, okay? मैं ही बात नहीं. What we need to do with fragrance, okay? चेहरा अच्छा होना चाहिए. And this is the you all know. 30% AHA plus 2% BHA face cleaning solution. मेरे को पढ़ना नहीं आता. मतलब मैंने अंदर क्या मंगा लिया. मतलब it's a regular day serum, but it's not. It's face cleaning solution. You need to use it once in a week. If you have that, what do you call it, I don't know. I don't remember actually. So this is Summerside plus HA Intense Daily Face Moisturizer for dry skin. I don't have a dry skin. I have a very oily skin, and it's of Ceramide. Hyaluronic acid. It's of day plus night. And it's fragrance free. तभी इसका smell is like दवाई, and it's dermatologist tested. I think these products are good, but okay, there is a time for me to also, okay? So चलो, let's start it. And I'll do a full video when the all materials will come, okay? Then we'll decorate our room. So I think what is the remaining? No. चलो जाने देता. So मेरे को सब समेटना पड़ेगा. These things I will put here. Cleanser and फिर moisturizer वगैरह.
Done. So, अब अगर I will go anywhere, then I'll shoot it and upload it. And now I need to upload a video tomorrow. Okay, it's Sunday. Happy Sunday.